Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this Maltese eye patch in Heartopia during the Maltese event update. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Heartopia has a collaboration with Maltese in the latest update, and you can get this item, the Maltese eye patch. This is one of the limited items from this update, and if you want to get it, you can go to the Gilded Acorn exhibition, and then you're going to scroll down until you find Go with Puppy set, and I'm going to open up this one. Okay, and you will need the exhibition pass to draw, and if you're lucky you will get this Maltese eye patch, and it's not really hard to get. And yeah, just click on draw and you will get this Maltese eye patch. Okay, that's easy, but maybe you will struggle to get the exhibition pass, right? Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Maltese eye patch in Heartopia X Maltese event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.